Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, MP3. We are pleased to show you 2016 CC Volkswagen CC. It's what's on the outside that counts and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, mirror memory. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.